Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this video about gold and gold update. So let's get started. Gold weekly chart I made on the 23rd Feb. By the way, I made a video yesterday about gold and the trades I took yesterday based on this chart. So this chart supposedly be price coming down and then bounce from 1987 or may drop to all the way to 1959 and then bounce. So it start bouncing from, it went down as low as 1983, I guess, right? And then it start to go to the upside. So I was watching it, said, okay, let's go up above 1989 again. And then I'll see if I can find a nice, little entry. And then I'll take it there, that entry to this number, 2049 was my target. So let me show you that. This was the chart, right? So when I saw the entry and then I took this one from 2029, right? And I took this entry here was like, this fib exactly 61%, and then twice the second one. This was the entry that I took first, but it got knocked out at break even. And then this one, I took it, and then it wobbled a little bit, and then it went up to my target, 2049, right? And then also my son, he's also, in indices and gold and oil, by the way, right? So he does that. So he took this one, and he took it from 2038. This is from the 7 minute, not 7 minute, 100 brick size. It's like a small 7 minute chart, right? So he took it from here. It actually, he put that thing, my EA on. So the EA opened the trade up, and it took it from 2038 to 2048. So this will happen yesterday, 29th. Then I said that more to come, right? So because we already started to go to the upside, now the thing is that we might, retrace around 2049 and then try to go up again, break that area, and then may continue to the upside. So I found that, and then I told my subscribers, you see the Telegram here, and I post here today, right? By the way, and this is March 1st. So gold is trying to go up above 2049, and I wanted to, find the entry and then obviously go, but above 2049. So look at this trade that I got. I found an entry, and this is 2049, this white line. So first, remember that we went long from here, and then hit this and I closed the trade, right? And then it dipped. Now I missed this entry for sure, but then it went up, and then it dropped again. And when this is the one that I post on the Telegram. So, it started to go above 2049. I got in here right there. My entry buy order is right there. Let me just make it bigger. I see that buy order right there. And all the way it went, there was a high, so 2080. But then there is another high. I just saw that. So I said, well, move is very powerful, because look at this. This is how powerfully it was going up, right? So this candle, and the level that I found is like 2088. So it was going there. So bypassing this 2080, and then it went to 2088. So I held until then, this 2087. I says, okay, enough is enough, right? 2088 is right there. So I close it, 208758. So that's where I closed my trade. And again, like I said, that my son is watching me all the time and learning, right? So he don't want to be, left behind. So he got in also from his account, is like from 2077, and he took it also to 2087. When I closed, he said, well, I told him to close it, so he closed as well, right there. So this is how the gold is moving. Very, very nice trade so far, right, to the upside. And this candle, you can see that it's so powerful, right? It's no wick whatsoever to the top. So I think that when the market will reopen on Sunday, it will easily break this 2088 and then go for 2133, and then finally reach to my target, which is still 2153. may go higher. I don't know, but somewhere there is going to be wave 5 ending, right? I don't want to show too many charts, but when we were here, I said we're going to go there for wave 5. My Elliott wave count was wave 3, ABC wave 4, and wave 5 usually comes a little bit higher than wave 3. So I said, well, we're going to go from there to there. And how many months or year it took so far? We started to bounce from here to October 22. Right, so November, December, and then whole 23. So 2 months, 1 year, 2 months, and so far 2 months in this. So 1 year and 4 month time we are here. And then it's still going to the upside. Let's see how far we go. But wave 5 should be ending somewhere there very soon. Right. So, but I think that we have more to come, at least to 127 or maybe 161 level, which will be coming right here. Right. So let's see how far we go to the upside. Nice trades today. And with the setup, beautiful, see this 40-minute setup, right? And then 70, brick size. It's all about brick sizes, which brick size gives you. You can see here this time frame and this brick size chart. It's like how many beautiful entries, right? The entry was here. Obviously, this entry got knocked out at break even, but this one beautiful. This one, then all the time that this indicator is all the way in the bottom, and the price is still above this black line. It's a long entry, right? So this was a beautiful entry as well, which I missed. This one I took it, right? This one, right? And then from here to there, and then today was even bigger from here to all the way there. And my son also took it, right? So this is how the system is. Just wanted to share with you guys, and then I'm gonna make the weekly recap video later on sometime. But yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I think that I'm gonna put some indices a video there for next week. Some nice setups are building, so I'm gonna post that so you can get it on time before the market opens up, and you can take advantage of those setups. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.